Hi everyone and welcome to Himas Academy. Today I'll show you how to draw a smiley face using JavaScript with the editor code.org. This is how our smiley face will look like after we're done. I drew this using one big circle and filled it with yellow color. Then I drew two more smaller circles and a rectangle for the mouth and filled it with black. Now I'll show you how to make this smiley face. First, I'll go into the Canvas tab, and to draw this I need to create a canvas. So I get the Create Canvas block. I'll name this canvas Canvas 1. Now that I have created my canvas, I need to draw. First, I need to draw my face, my smiley face, with a circle. I'll enter the X 160, the Y 170, and the radius is 100 pixels. X is the horizontal value of the center of the circle and Y is the vertical value of the center of the circle. Now I have drew my face. I need to fill it with the fill color. So I'll get the fill color block and place it after creating my canvas. And I'll keep my fill color yellow. Now I have drew my smiley's face. Now I need its eyes. So I'll get another fill color block and place it after a circle. I'll enter this black. Now I have set my fill color to black. Now I need two circles for my eyes. For the first circle, the X will be 120. The Y will be 140. And the radius will be 10 pixels. For my second eye, I'll get another circle block. For the X, I'll enter 190. For the Y, I'll enter 140. And the radius will be 10 pixels. Now this will draw my face and my eyes. Now I need my mouth. So I'll get the rectangle block. In the rectangle, the first space is the X, the second is the Y, the third is the width, and the fourth is the height. I want the rectangle X to be 130. I want the Y to be 200. I want the width to be 50 and the height will be 10. This is how you draw your smiley face. The first fill color will set it to yellow and draw a big circle for my face and color it with yellow. The second fill color will set it to black, and then whatever I draw from there will become black. So the circles for the eyes and the rectangle for the mouth. Now I'll see if this works or not. This is how you draw your smiley face using JavaScript with code.org. If you want to see how to use a block, you just hover above the block and press See Examples. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.